Today we will be learning a particle motion problem. We are told that a particle moves in the xy plane with position vector x of t comma y of t, such that x of t equals t cubed minus 6t squared plus 9t plus 1, and y of t equals negative t squared plus 6t plus 2 in the time interval 0 is less than or equal to t, which is less than or equal to 5. First, we are asked to determine all values of t when the slope is vertical. Remember, x of t equals t cubed minus 6t squared plus 9t plus 1, and y of t equals negative t squared plus 6t plus 2. So, x prime of t equals 3t squared minus 12t plus 9, and y prime of t equals negative 2t plus 6. When determining the slope, we need dy dx, which is equal to y prime of t over x prime of t. So in this case, dy dx equals negative 2t plus 6 over 3t squared plus 12t plus 9. When finding when the slope is vertical, x prime of t needs to be set equal to 0. So 0 equals 3t squared minus 12t plus 9. When this is solved, we are left with t equals 1 and t equals 3. Before a determination can be made, however, these values need to be plugged into y prime of t to make sure that y prime of t does not equal 0 at either of these points. When this is done, as you can see, y prime of 1 equals 4, but y prime of 3 equals 0. Because of that, the slope is only vertical at t equals 1. Next, we are asked to determine if the particle is moving to the left or to the right when t equals 5. Because we are dealing with the left or right, we are going to use x prime of t, which equals 3t squared minus 12t plus 9. When 5 is plugged in for t, we are left with x prime of 5 equals 24. Because 24 is greater than 0, the particle is moving to the right at t equals 5. I hope you learned a lot from this video. Thank you for watching.